Alright guys, now this is the treatment machine stand, and originally this one just comes with this. I make a hole in here in order to screw these guys right here, but it fell. I put some glue and it still is bending, and now, well, I replaced these guys for basically this one right here, a metal insert, and this one is gonna do the job really good, like this right over here. And I'm gonna show you guys how to do this. I'm gonna put the links down below if you guys wanna use it too in your stands, because I know most of my stuff right here, the printer, other stuff I got, everything got wheels, and this is the only one without wheels. Let me show you guys, simple as this. You guys use this guy right here and put it on the bottom. These two retainers, basically, they're very, very strong metal pieces that they're gonna attach right over here. It's gonna hold it in place. And simple as this, get a piece of wood, put it right here on the bottom, and just make sure it's like some square like that. Get a hammer and give it a punch. You see it right there. Not hit it too hard, but just go little by little until you guys notice that it's already in place. All right, just make sure it's level, make sure and that's good enough. Check if it's squared according to the bar right here, and just screw your caster, and that's it. Voila, you got a strong guys right here that you're gonna able to move. And this one got brakes right here. It means if you need to stop you don't want to the stand move, well, that's the only thing you guys gotta do. All right guys, let's go and keep watching.